Hello, welcome back. Let's see how to slow-mo a video in Capcut. I want to slow-mo this video. This is the actual speed of the video. First you tap on the video and you can see the speed icon on the bottom taskbar. Tap on it. Here you can see two options, one for normal adjustments and other for varying speed. Curves usually used for speed ramps etc. First we can see how normal adjustment works. The normal adjustment offers you to make a smoother playback. While it's not available for curve, adjust the speed of the video as per your needs. You can select the smoother playback option. Curve offer you a wide range of presets. You can also customize the speed by adjusting the curve. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.